Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, and system board. Removal. Remove the foam pad that secures the power button board to the top cover. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the power button board to the top cover. Lift the power button board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the power button board onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the power button board to the top cover. Replace the foam pad that secures the power button board to the top cover.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.